Many people believe that it is very, very hard to make 6 figures, 8 figures from selling digital products online. But if you look at the screenshot that you see on your screen right now, you're going to see that I was able to make over 100K plus in just one day. This was money that was paid to me for just packaging my knowledge and selling it online, and I did not have to do any paid ad. I did not have to do anything too serious. All right, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to make this kind of money. I'm going to be sharing with you how I made 100K plus selling my digital product, and how you can copy and use the same process to make money for yourself and even over that. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get straight into the video, kindly like this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. When you do these 3 things, it helps you to get notified whenever I share content like this. So it's not really a tough process. It's not really something tough. It's just you understanding the strategies and what it will take you to make this money. Okay, so having said that, let's just go straight. Let me show you how I made 100K plus. Now, this is the entire step I followed. Number 1, I created a hot product that is in demand. Number 2, I hosted it on Seller. Number 3, I promoted it online aggressively. And number 4, I received my sale. I received my money. All right. So this is the entire process that I use. Although it will need a very, very broad explanation so that you can understand what each of these steps entails. First of all, before you say you want to create a product, you must make sure that you are offering a solution. You must make sure that if you want to make money online, you must make sure you are offering a solution that people really, really need. Now, in my case, the solution that I offered was a digital product that teaches people how to create and edit videos with their smartphone, and I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, so what I did, let me just take you to where the course is. I created a video course on Seller. All right, let me take you to my product page. I created a product on Seller. Let me open the product. Okay, all product. I created a product on Seller that teaches people how to sell, how to create and sell videos, how to create and edit videos. As you can see, this is the video here. You can see the smartphone video editing course for beginners, and the price here is 25,000. Today, as at the time I'm making this video, it is 25,000. When I sold that product, it was just 20,000. Are you getting it now? It was just 20,000. But I was able to do some things and use some strategy that instead of me selling that product for just 20,000, I sold it for 100K. Are you getting it now? I sold it for 100K. This product is just 20,000 naira, but I used a strategy that helped me to sell it for just 100,000 naira. Are you seeing this now? And that's how I got my sale in one day. Now let's open the product so you see what the product is all about. I click here and I go to the view public link. Now, if you don't have a seller account, you cannot really make money with this process. So you need to have a seller account to be able to sell your product, to sell your knowledge, to sell your expertise on Seller. Okay, now if you look at this now, you can see the product is saying the smartphone video editing course for beginners. So actually I made the course teaching people a step-by-step process of how they can create and edit videos using their smartphone. So I know that there are people and business owners and coaches who want to be creating and editing videos by themselves. They don't want to outsource. They want to learn the process of how to create and edit videos. So they really need someone to show them how it works. And once I found out that demand, I went ahead to create this course. As you can see on the flyer, it's saying 5K. That 5k was the initial price as at the time I created the course. Like I sold it for, like, let's say for 1 week. Are you getting now? For that 5k. And then I decided that I needed to increase the price. So when I increased the price, I noticed that people were still buying. Are you getting now? So if you scroll down, you can see it's 25,000 naira. So once the person clicks buy now, it's going to be downloaded. So this is all that the course entails. You can see here. So once the person gets the course, he's going to be getting an introduction to creating and editing videos. He's going to be learning the type of video content. He's going to be learning the video content creation tools and equipment. He's going to be getting the smartphone apps that I use to edit, and a lot more. Are you seeing this now? So now I was able to sell this product. So what did I do? Let's go back to our slide. What did I do? I created the product. All right. I first created the product and then I hosted it on Seller, just as I have showed you. When I hosted it on Seller, the next thing I did was to go ahead and promote aggressively. Are you getting now? So once I promoted, people started seeing and people started demanding for the product. This is the exact step that I use to earn 100k plus. I still make money from that course. That's the beautiful thing about digital product. You create it once and you keep selling over and over. You don't need to have any inventory. You don't need to have any physical product. You don't need to deliver physically. You don't need to leave your house. Are you getting this now? So this is the fun about creating and selling digital products, and I'm ready to teach you if you're interested in learning. If you want to learn exactly how I do this step by step, I have a pre-recorded video that I have created to teach you the exact step how you can start creating and selling digital products. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a techie person. All right. You don't have to know plenty things. Just the little you know, I will teach you and show you the exact process of how you can be making this money. And I have recorded a video to show you everything step by step. If you want to get that video, if you want to get it, right, you want to get access to that video, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description of this video. Go to the link in the description. Check for the link. I'll drop a link there. Once you click it, it's going to take you to where you will make payments. All right, it's not free. Take you to where you will make payments, and once you make payments, you'll be able to download it and get access. So this is where I'm going to stop for this video. I believe that you got value from this video. If you got value from this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.